and is IP68 waterproof. This smartwatch comes with a built-in lithium polymer battery that offers up to 10 days of battery life. You need to charge your smartwatch only a few times in a month. The smartwatch connects your smartphone via Bluetooth version 5.0 and lets you to have real-time control. It is compatible with all Android and iOS smartphones. With this smartwatch, you will get 9 sports modes to cover all your activities, whether you walk, run, hike, bike, treadmill, workout, climb, spin, or perform yoga. You can also log into NoiseFit app and track your health and fitness details, get insights on your progress, and share your achievements with the world. The Noise ColorFit Pro 2 enables you to control music remotely using this smartwatch. The smartwatch also offers optional menstrual tracking for women, takes the guesswork out of cycle tracking. This product comes with a standard brand warranty.